So his orangeness just rolled back cafe standards, huh? Well, it's not really as extreme as you think. The boogeyman of the Potomac just is applying cafe standards to 2022 standards and not 2025 standards. According to current fuel economy standards, each vehicle must increase its fuel economy 1% per agreed upon term. In 2022, that was 0.5%. What I see this to be is to be legislation that is designed to pass for him to just celebrate getting things done in the face of increasingly restrictive economy, the dissolvement of the middle class, and hyper-ingratiation to the ultra-wealthy. Oligarchy, if you want to use those terms. I look at this legislation in the same way I look at cash for clunkers. It is merely paperwork meant to pass. To be blunt, I was never a fan of ramping up cafe standards year after year, because given current technology, there is a disconnect between creating reliable, cheap engines that get fair horsepower versus very efficient engines that start having problems and recalls after 80,000 miles in the face of dwindling quality control checks and poor manufacturing. Frankly, I don't think we're capable right now, not just in the US, but the entire world, to create internal combustion engines that meet increasingly restrictive emissions controls year after year, but also have those engines be robust to last 200,000 miles. The Toyota 2UZ V8 can never ever be efficient, but will it go 1,000,000 miles? Oh yes it will. Big old heavy iron block, beautiful. How about the GM 3800 V6? Fantastic engine. Does it last a long time? Yes. Is it cheap to repair? Yes. Does it get good fuel economy? Because it's under stressed. You have to push the pedal down more to go fast. A small, tightly wound four-cylinder, like a 1.1 or a 1.2 liter four-cylinder with a turbocharger on it, will get very good gas mileage. Will it last 400,000 miles, something that is stressed to that limit, that puts out the kind of power that Americans demand? And furthermore, the increased weight of cars given rollover protection and pedestrian protection. You can't have everything. But I'm sure the blender that is aggregated content will love to go back and forth on this topic.